Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I would like to address something that I've been receiving a lot of questions about, which is what should you do if your Windows Update service is missing on your Windows 10. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Open Windows 10 Services. You can do this by clicking on Start and write Services. In the results, you will see the service app that has two gear icons. Click on it to open. In this window, scroll down until you find Windows Update. Mine is here, yours might not be. And if that is the case, I'm going to show you how to solve it. This happens as a result of many things, such as corrupted registry, deleted services, and in some cases, malware. So I advise you to be aware about the things running on your computer. To solve this, we must check if the service is missing or not from your computer. If the service is there but not running properly, this might be the result of corrupted registry. To solve, open the Windows 10 registry. You can do this by going to Start and then write Registry and then run it as an administrator. You can find the Windows Update Registry by going to Computer, Local Machine, System, CurrentControlSet, Services, and look for Windows Update Services, which is down close to the bottom. There you have it. This is the Windows Update service. If you expand this, you will see that inside there are other components. What you must do is to copy this registry from another machine that is working properly and bring it here to this machine that is not working to install it. To copy this, right click on the main registry, which is this folder here, right click and click on Export. Give it a name and save it anywhere you want as a registry file. I'm gonna give mine the name W10 Update and I'm going to save this file on the desktop. Now that you have the file in your machine, you must delete the corrupted registry and run the new one. For example, in this case, if this registry is corrupted, you should delete this one and run the other one that you copied or we have exported. To delete this, you just right click on it and then click on delete. In this case, for me, there's no need to delete. This is one of the processes to correct Windows Update Services issues. If the Windows Update service is not there, we need to use a different approach. I'm going to delete my service so I can properly show you. To do this, we are going to use the Windows command line. Click on Start and then write cmd and then write the command line as administrator. To delete the Windows Update service, I'm going to write sc delete and the name of the service. If you notice, the name of the service is the same of the file registry. If I open the service window here at the service update, if you double click, you can as well copy the service name here, which is the same as this one that I have written here. Now that I have written this, I'm going to click enter to run it. And you can see here delete service success. If we go back to services and click on refresh here, so you can see here that the Windows Update is still running but disabled. So what we are going to do is click on stop to disappear. So as you can see here, the Windows Update is no longer available in this service. If this is your case, I'm going to show you now what you can do to enable Windows Service Update. Let's open again command line, click on start and then write cmd and then run it as administrator. To have the service running again, we must run a new command line, which I'm going to leave it in the description of this video for you to copy. This will be much easier. If you notice, instead of delete, this time we write create and then click on enter. Create service success. Now let's get back to services window. Refresh the window. You can see down here that I have the Windows Update service again. Let's double click on it to open and then let's click on start to run it. The Windows Update service is here, but we cannot start it, and this is because the registry is corrupted. To solve this, we must delete the current registry and run the new one that we have exported from another machine. So go back to the registry, delete this registry because it is corrupted now. Now let's go back to the desktop. As you remember, my file is this one, w10 update, and then I'm going to run this. Let's open the registry again, and you can see here that the registry is back with all the other components inside. So guys, this is how you solve Windows Update service issue. If you go back to the service window, you can see that the Windows Update is still here. We can refresh it again and you can see that it is enabled and it's on manual trigger start. If you double click, you can change it to service to automatic, manual or disable. I like to leave the way it is and click OK. Well guys, this is how you solve Windows Update services missing on your Windows 10. That's all for this video. I hope it helped, and if it did, like, subscribe and share it. I'll see you in the next one.